Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Fiverr to set up gig packages and upsells, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Fiverr account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the join button. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Selling tab located in the top menu. Select gigs from the drop-down menu. Find the gig you want to set up packages for. If you don't have a gig yet, click on Create a new gig. In the gig settings, scroll down to the pricing section. Here, you will see an option to create gig packages. Click on the Create a Package button. You will be prompted to choose between basic, standard, and premium packages. Fill in the package name for each level. Set the duration for delivery that fits each package. Next, input the price for each package. Make sure to outline what each package includes in the description. Focus on the key services provided in each package. Consider adding specific features like extra revisions or faster delivery as upsells. Scroll down to the Extras section in your gig settings. Here, you can add additional services that buyers can choose as upsells. Click on Add Extra to create an upsell option. Define the title and details of the upsell. Set the price for each upsell option based on its value. Ensure that you're clear about how the upsell enhances the buyer's order. Once you've configured all packages and upsells, review your entries for accuracy. Finally, click on the Save button to apply your changes. Your gig packages and upsells are now set up successfully. Visit your gig to preview how it appears to potential buyers. Make any additional adjustments as necessary. You're now ready to attract more clients with your newly customized gig offerings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.